Hey there, beauty lovers. Welcome back to our channel, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on any of our awesome beauty reviews and tutorials. Today, we're talking about a game-changing product that will take your eye makeup game to the next level, the Black Liquid Eyeliner Waterproof Eyeliner Pencil. This long-lasting liquid eyeliner pen is designed to give you 36 hours of smudge-proof, no-blooming wear, so you can slay all day and all night. One of the things we love most about this eyeliner is its quick reformula, which means no more waiting around for your liner to set. Plus, the precision tip makes it super easy to create a variety of looks, from a subtle wing to a dramatic cat eye. Not to mention, this eyeliner is waterproof, so you can hit the beach, pool, or gym without worrying about your liner smudging or running. It's the perfect addition to your makeup bag for those busy on-the-go days when you need a reliable liner that will last all day long. The best part? This eyeliner is available at an incredible price, making it a must-have for both makeup beginners and beauty gurus alike. So why wait? Click the link in the description to get your hands on this amazing product and take your eye makeup to the next level. Trust us, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And as always, stay beautiful.